Hey guys, see you in here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing Supreme item. It's a week 13 item, and the week 13 was the North Face drop. There was a lot of different things that dropped with the North Face. They always come out with jackets, sweater, hats, and etc. But this time I decided to not go for the North Face. Actually, if I think about it, I don't think I could recollect anything that I got from Supreme, the North Face drop. Partly because I feel like the pricing is a little too high up there. But at the same time, I have nothing against the North Face. They are a great brand. I do have North Face item just by itself, but I don't think I ever got anything that's Supreme the North Face. Maybe I do have to get on that though. Along with the North Face drop, the hat accessory that I really wanted ever since the preview came out. This is one item that I knew I was gonna get. So when I saw it along with the North Face, I had a chance to get it, and I knew I was gonna be able to get it because of the other stuff that was dropping, like the North Face. So everyone went for that. I went for this. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what I got. Alright, it came in this package here. Came in this envelope here. I'll go ahead and open it up. Use a Supreme knife here. And we'll just cut it up top. Alright, here we go. Hopefully I got more than just the box. Let's see if I got any sticker. And another Supreme box logo. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Supreme box logo so far out of 3 drops. So unfortunate. But the item that I got is the Supreme Fujifilm cartridge for the Instafilm. These are instant film, the mini Fujifilm. These are the Polaroid ones. I decided to get them particularly because I know I use them a lot, and so when I saw this, I had to get it. We'll go ahead and open this one shortly, but I do have the Insta Mini 9 that I always use. Again, I got this because I do have them and I do use them, so that's why I got it. And I say I, but mostly, you know, my wife, and whenever my friend gets here, we try to take a film here and there. But we'll go ahead and load one up, see how it works. It's supposed to be for the Instafilm, so when I saw this, I knew I was gonna get it, and so I went for it. The Supreme site was limiting the product to 2 items per person. I think it was 2 items because I don't know why I would not have gotten more. I was able to get 2 items. I'm satisfied with it. If you look in the front, it has the Supreme logo. It does not wrap around to the back for the Supreme, but it's pretty dope that at least it has a Supreme logo in the front. And then on the back, all the different instructions stuff, many different languages. On the side, it has the image size 6.2 centimeter by 4.6. That's the image size. The picture actual size is larger, obviously, with 8.6 and 5.4 centimeters. There's nothing else more than this. All the other ones are instructional stuff. The bottom doesn't have anything. It does come with 10 Instafilm per, so that there's 10 here, there's 10 here. I'll be honest, I'll probably keep the 10, unbox this one and leave it there, and then open up the other one and actually use it. I have a wall of Polaroid film that I use for the Insta one, and then I just kind of decorate and hang them with the picture that I take with a lot of my friends and events and stuff. So I'm super excited to take a photo with this film and at least hang one up there. The film was 18 bucks per box, so I paid 36 bucks plus shipping and tax and etc. So I don't actually know how much it actually costs for 10, but given that this is 18, you're talking about like not the cheapest, definitely for sure, for only 10 sheets. But regardless, let's go ahead and open this up and we'll try to load it up. Trying to be careful here. Alright, once you open it up, let's go ahead and take a look. As far as the film goes, this is pretty much generic. It doesn't have any Supreme logo on it. It just says Fujifilm Instafilm Insta Mini, expiration for 2022. So give you about 2 years for you to use this. But other than that, again, this doesn't have any branding. It's only the box itself that has the branding, and that's it. This is no different from any other film that I have seen and used. So I'll go ahead and open this up. And it comes in this black box. So the mini Insta Fujifilm, the box itself is pretty much the same. So if I open this up, I have the empty one. So the back side is pretty much the same. Because I did use up this one, this is a little loose because it does not have that 10 sheet of Polaroids. From the back, it looks exactly the same, size are same, back is also the same. The only reason that this is showing is because this is, actually this still has film, so this was empty. Pretty much what happens is you get this, you load it up into the cart, the camera here, you load it up, and you could take one first picture for free. I don't think the first one, I think, is the blank one, and then you have 10 shot after that. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this back in here. I feel like that one still had a film or something. I'll go ahead and leave it as here. But again, I am planning to use this. I'm definitely gonna load this up and take picture of it. I'll take the first picture and then I'll post it out for sure. Alright, I did go ahead and take one photo. I didn't use the Supreme one, but it come out like this. I took a background of it, so I'm not sure if it's gonna process, but Supreme one's gonna have Supreme logo on the bottom here. So I'm gonna swap it out, take one photo and show you guys. As expected, there was a film in here. So I'm gonna put this face down. Now I'm gonna load up the Supreme one. Change the setting to indoor, and I'm gonna try to see if I could take a photo of myself. I think the first one is the test film. Yep, so the very first one comes out like this. This was the back of the Insta film that was showing here. So this one comes out, and I'm gonna have to take another one and show you guys the difference. Feels awkward just smiling in front of the camera. I'm gonna try to cover this one up so it process. But this one, the difference is the bottom here has a Supreme, like unlike this one. So everything is the same, but that Supreme logo, and that's what we went after, guys. Literally what we went after. So I'm gonna put this face down, see if this process. I could already see this is already processing a little bit. I don't know what happened with this one. I thought I did it right, but this is not processing well. So I'm gonna put this face down and let it process. I have 9 more shots back here. It shows that I got 9 more shots. So I'm gonna save this before I get yelled at for wasting it all on myself. Keep this again. Like I said, I am gonna use this one. I'm gonna put this away. Inspiration 2022. So maybe 2 years from now I'll open it up again. That being said, I will show you guys a closer look of the box, the film, the photo I took, and we'll wrap it up.
Feel uninvited, left your home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder.